we are going to see the fifth question. If the roots of the equation c squared minus ab into x squared minus 2 into a squared minus bc into x plus b squared minus ac equal to 0 are real and equal, prove that either a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. So question itself they are given the condition of the roots of the equation, that is what is given, real and equal is given. Using that condition we are going to prove either a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Let us see how we are going to find the solution. Now write the given equation as c squared minus ab into x squared minus 2 into a squared minus bc into x plus b squared minus ac equal to 0. Here the value of a, b and c we are going to write first. So the value of a, here I have written capital A. Capital A is equal to c squared minus ab and capital B is equal to minus 2 into a squared minus bc and capital C is equal to b squared minus ac. Here already we are having ABC alphabet in that given equation. So that only I took here capital A, capital B and capital C. It is easy to solve for you. Now the given condition is, since the roots are real and equal, so we can say the discriminant equal to 0. If discriminant equal to 0 means, then we can prove the result either a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Now see, discriminant equal to b squared minus 4ac, that is equal to 0 because given concept is real and equal. So equal to 0 we have taken here. Now replace all a, b, c value here. So b is minus 2 into a squared minus bc the whole squared minus 4 into c squared minus ab into b squared minus ac equal to 0. Now minus 2 the whole squared is 4 and this one we can write as a squared minus bc the whole squared because here we took square for this number 2. So 2 squared we wrote here 4 and this polynomial a squared minus bc we are having, so whole squared we are writing here minus 4 into. Now we are going to remove the bracket, that means we are going to multiply the terms inside. First you take c squared into b squared minus c squared into ac, that is directly we can write as a into c cube. Then you take minus ab, multiply with this one, minus ab into b squared is minus ab cube, minus into minus plus, ab into ac is equal to 0 is a squared bc equal to 0. Now in these two polynomials, these two terms, we are having number 4 is common. So we can divide these two terms by number 4. So divided by 4 because we are reducing into simplest form. So you will get a squared minus bc the whole squared minus this bracket term fully we are going to write, that is c squared b squared minus a c cube minus a b cube plus a squared bc equal to 0. Now we are going to use the formula a minus b the whole square formula. So we know the formula for a minus b whole square is a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So here a place we are having the term a squared and b place we are having bc. So we will write this a squared the whole squared as a power 4 plus b squared c squared, bc the whole squared you will get, that is directly we can write b squared c squared minus 2ab, 2 into a squared into bc. So we are getting 2a squared bc and here minus having outside of the bracket, so we are going to multiply minus inside the term. That means just we are going to remove the bracket. So here we are having sign minus, just you multiply the term inside. Minus c squared b squared, I have written here b squared c squared. Minus into minus plus, you will get ac cube. Minus into minus plus, ab cube. Minus into plus minus, a squared bc equal to 0. Here plus b squared c squared minus b squared c squared getting cancelled. And a power 4 I wrote as it is, and this one. First I wrote a b cube, then a c cube. Here c minus 2 a squared bc minus a squared bc. Both like term, so we can add its coefficient. Minus 2, here minus 1. No number means 1 only, no. So we can take minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1 we can write here minus 3 a square bc equal to 0. Next you can write here. Here I wrote the first 3 term as it is. Just I took the term here. So without writing this step also we can do. All the terms having the variable a is common. No? So directly we can write a into a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3a square bc equal to 0. Here also having a term. All the two terms we are having a variable common. So we can take outside. That means we are going to factorize here. In all the terms having any one variable common means we will take commonly, that method only here I wrote. So a into a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0. Now product equal to 0 means we can say each one we can say equal to 0. So this outside term having a. So a equal to 0 or this whole polynomial a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0. So either a is equal to 0 or this one we can split as a cube plus b cube plus c cube. This minus term just I am taking to another one side. So it will be plus. So you will get 3abc. This only you need to prove. That is the given roots of the equations are real and equal. Then we have to prove either a is equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Hence it is proved.